This is the plan mode of the hiring challenge. Uh, where is a book? The book is not always a crash or a console error. It could be a silent book. A silent book is something that is not completely shown on the console, but it not work well and it will damage the user experience. We have to separate to surface the debtor page and the client dashboard. Why? Because it will tell you exactly where the book lives without searching, and it acts like a priority filter. This is more important, and it will be first on the priority filter than the client dashboard. This is the signal mode. The lector will must cache book that has never seen before. The tier one, these are the signals, the raise click, the dead click, repeated identical action, and abandon after deep engagement. And these ones are the tiers that we are not going to consider it because these are noise, even noise. And here's the plan, the way that we are going to solve these bugs. First of all, it will be the layer number one, the restrict rules. Post hoc already captures right clicks events. So post hoc have to capture a right click and it will escalate to layer two. Layer two is a volume filter. It's cheaper than using LLM on every right click. So first of all, we're gonna use a trigger signal. So if one user trigger signal goes to review the query, not a ticket. 5 to 10 users on the same element, it will make a Slack alert to the dev team. And more than 50 users on the same element, it will autofill the linear ticket and skip the LLM. The layer 3 is the confirmation, only for ambiguous cases. When layer 1 to 2, when there's 1 to 2 flags, there's something but it's low, it will extract the whole DOM of the page and it will script the data and send to cloud. Cloud, it will make a table based on how confident it is. 0.85, it will autofill the ticket, and between 0.6 and 0.85, it will send to human review query. The privacy non-negotiable. The debtor contains a real P, the name, the amounts, account numbers. This is based on the script. The script is protect the integrity of the data. So this is how it will work before sending to the cloud or any LLM. Where does spec behavior? It's hard to know because you have to know how does the system should work. And question before writing the code, knowing that is there any funnel on postcode is good because it will help you making the software a little bit faster than uh, making a trigger based on signals. And these are more of the questions that you should know before doing the code. These are edge cases. For example, let's technically everything works, but a button or form respond in 2 seconds. The system is not broken, but the user lose confidence. This create artificial rage click and silent abandonment. The signal that reveals this data is time delta, the gap between the click event and the next DOM event. And why? And that's it. That's how I will do the software, of the detection of bugs.